And I even pitched this to my VIP friends or mga millionaire friends. And ito yung naging kwento talaga. Doon ako parang pinush niya in a way na, sige, lagay ako dyan kasi he already had like 30 million pesos in Izanagi. Sige nga, trade mo din kasabay ng gagawin mo. 1 million kagad. Like, are you sure? Okay. Ang taas sa drawdown nito. Ang laki na nga ng Izanagi mo. Imagine mo, yung Izanagi niya, I was really, really afraid because he put like 30 million pesos in Izanagi alone. Ang settings na nilagay ko doon, if I can remember it right, is $14,000 per 01. Diba? 7,000 yung standard. Sa kanya, doble pa. Halos wala siyang, yung gauge siya less than 1% isang buwan. Tapos, because nababagalan siya, when I pitched this to him, sabi ko, I'm gonna do this strategy and I think I'm ready to like scale this up to my personally. Ang plano ko pa doon, 500,000, dinoble niya kagad. So I was so pushed. So from there, syempre, patay na. Narinig na ng ibang friends na mga medyo malaki-laki yung pera, no? Nagulat ako, bigla talagang, okay, the opportunity comes in na parang, okay, meron ako ditong 1 million, meron ako ditong 10 million, meron ako 6 million. Patay, like, umabot siya to my first month at 25 million kaagad na pooled money. So, I was even not really that ready yet, pero I'm testing out the strategy.